PRTG Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Portage Biotech, whatever the pronunciation is, it's 5% down. I mean, I'm very open-minded into the next upcoming week, because that is the real reason is because, well, how am I speaking with this one? The beginning was not right, but generally speaking, if there is a shift and the confirmation checks out, there's nothing stopping me from buying here. Obviously, all that is actually left, it's just the confirmation, because believe it or not, I mean, I've done 39,000 videos, and using the scientific method, I figured out what's making me money and what's not. Common factors analysis here, all that's left is the confirmation. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be a winner, but all I'm saying is that I'm still waiting, and if the rules are met, definitely something that I'll look at. Obviously, it's not financial advice by any means, it's just my 2 cents, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.